The ultimate Honda Civic modification guide. Transform your ride. The Honda Civic is one of the most modified cars in the world, loved by enthusiasts for its affordability, reliability, and endless customization options. Whether you want to boost performance, improve aesthetics, or enhance comfort, modifying a Honda Civic allows you to create a unique ride that reflects your personality. In this guide, we'll cover the best modifications for the Honda Civic without affecting handling conditions. That means no drastic suspension changes or modifications that negatively impact stability. Let's dive in. 1. Performance upgrades. A. Cold air intake system. A cold air intake, (K), is one of the easiest and most effective modifications to improve performance. It increases airflow to the engine, leading to better combustion, more horsepower, and improved throttle response. Brands to consider: KN, M. Engine gains 510 horsepower, HP. Cost $150 400. B. Performance exhaust system. Upgrading to a catback or axle-back exhaust system improves airflow, reduces back pressure, and enhances engine sound. A free-flowing exhaust can also give a slight horsepower gain. Brands to consider: Borla, Greddy, MagnaFlow. Gains 5 to 15 horsepower. Cost $300 1,000. C. AQ tuning. Reflashing or tuning. The AQ, engine control unit, optimizes fuel maps, ignition timing, and air-fuel ratios. A tune can unleash hidden power from your Civic's engine, especially when combined with other mods. Brands to consider: Honda Tuner. Gains 10 to 30 horsepower, depending on mods. Cost $500 1,200. D. Lightweight pulley kit. Replacing the stock pulleys with lightweight versions reduces rotational mass, which can slightly improve throttle response and free up a few extra horsepower. Gains 2 to 5 horsepower. Cost $100 300. 2. Exterior modifications. A. Aerodynamic enhancements. Adding aerodynamic elements like front lips, rear spoilers, and side skirts improves the Civic's look without affecting handling. Front lip spoiler enhances front-end appearance and reduces drag. Rear spoiler provides downforce without excessive drag. Side skirts complements aerodynamics and aesthetics. Brands to consider: Mugen, Seabon, Spoon Sports. Cost $200 800. B. Custom wheels. Tires. Upgrading to lightweight, stylish wheels not only enhances aesthetics but also reduces unsprung weight, improving acceleration and braking. Recommended wheel size: 17A19 for the best balance of performance and looks. Tires. Go for high-performance all-season or summer tires for better grip. Brands to consider: Enkei, Volk Racing, Koenig. Cost $800 2,500. Wheels. Tires. C. Headlights. Taillights upgrade. LED or projector-style headlights improve visibility and modernize the Civic's front end. Smoked or sequential LED taillights add a stylish touch to the rear. Brands to consider: Morimoto, Spec D, Enzo. Cost $150 600. 3. Interior enhancements. A. Racing seats. Steering wheel. Swapping out factory seats for aftermarket racing seats improves driver support and style. A racing-inspired steering wheel also adds a sporty feel to the cabin. Brands to consider: Recaro, Bride, Sparco. Cost $400 1,500. B. Digital gauge clusters. A digital gauge cluster provides real-time data, including speed, RPM, fuel economy, and more. It enhances the modern feel of the interior while improving functionality. Brands to consider: M. Honda, Glow Shift. Cost $250 800. C. Sound system upgrade. Enhancing the Civic's audio system with a better head unit, speakers, and a subwoofer dramatically improves sound quality and in-car entertainment. Head unit, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility for better connectivity. Speaker. Subwoofer. Upgrading to a component speaker system provides clearer sound. Brands to consider: Pioneer, Alpine, JBL. Cost $300 1,500. 4. Performance braking system. A. Upgraded brake pads. Rotors. A high-performance braking system improves stopping power, reduces brake fade, and enhances overall safety. Performance brake pads improve grip and reduce brake dust. Slotted, drilled rotors enhance cooling and prevent brake fade. Brands to consider: Brembo, StopTech, IBC brakes. Cost: $400, $1,200. B. Stainless steel brake lines. Upgrading to stainless steel brake lines enhances brake pedal feel and durability over stock rubber lines. Cost: $100, $300. 5. Engine bay aesthetics. A. Painted or carbon fiber engine covers. Customizing the engine bay with a painted valve cover or a carbon fiber engine cover makes your setup stand out at car meets and shows. Cost: $100, $400. B. Colored hoses. Wire tucks. Replacing factory rubber hoses with colored silicone hoses adds a pop of color to the engine bay, while a wire tuck cleans up the look. Cost: $50, $300. 6. Transmission drivetrain upgrades. A. Short shifter kit. A short shifter reduces the distance between gear shifts, giving a sportier feel and quicker gear changes. Brands to consider: Skunk 2, BM, Hybrid Racing. Cost: $100, $400. B. Upgraded clutch flywheel. For those with manual transmissions, a performance clutch and light-weight flywheel improve shifting precision and responsiveness. Brands to consider: X80, ACT, Competition clutch. Cost: $500, $1,200. 7. Software diagnostic tools. A. OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. A Bluetooth OBD2 scanner helps you monitor engine performance, clear error codes, and diagnose potential issues via smartphone app. Brands to consider: Blue Driver, Fixed, Bafx. Cost: $30, $150. Final thoughts. The Honda Civic is one of the best cars for modification, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and reliability. Whether you focus on power, aesthetics, or comfort, the modifications above will help you build a standout ride without compromising handling or safety. Do you have a modified Civic? Share your favorite mods in the comments below.